Welcome back everyone. Alright, so let's go and in this tutorial we'll make a glass here. Now first things first, what we'll do is we'll make a circular glass and then we'll make a rectangular glass. And hopefully at this point you did take my advice and made 10, just prototype 10 bowls because prototyping and kind of sketching, if you will, is really important. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and delete that there. I'm going to go and push create cylinder. And for the most part, this is actually going to be pretty easy because, and for some reason, two cylinders were made there. But not to worry, this is all going to be good. So pretty much we almost have a glass right here. Um, Another way we could do this here is if we tab into edit mode. We can really, the sky's the limit when it comes to glasses here, but let's hop into face select and actually let's delete the top face. And so I'll try and make this a little bit different here. Let's hop into edge select mode, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to push alt and then the right button there. Okay, and this will edge select here. And what this will do is this will select the entire edge. Let's push E to extrude and then we'll scale it in. Okay, we'll scale it in and then we'll push E to extrude and then lock this of course on the Z axis, and we'll go pretty much almost all the way to the bottom there. And then I'm just going to type in or press the key F, and that makes a face here. Now this here makes the glass actually look pretty cool. Although this is kind of a boring glass, if you will. We could actually make this a little bit cooler. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to push the edge select, alt, shift and alt, and we're going to do that here. And we're going to go and actually just we'll go and just simply select all these faces up top here. Now we could have in theory did this earlier, but at the same time sometimes you just need to learn how to do this here. Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm going to push 3. I'm going to make this bigger because it's going to be a nice tall glass, and we really could end it here, but what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to scale it out just a bit. Now let's hop back into 3 here. So I'm going to undo that. So here is a straight glass, and I'm going to scale this out just a bit. Now, you're probably thinking that is not really that important. Well, sometimes adding a little subtle angle change to that will be important. And the reason is that straight angles, right angles, are the norm, and they can get boring unless you use them in a very specific way. However, a 3-degree angle or a 7-degree angle is not the norm. So what happens is that your brain notices it even though if you don't consciously notice it. So small little changes like that can be really big here. And if we really wanted to, let's just hop back into here. Let's select this face here, and by the way, and the bottom face here. Remember, they are two different faces, and I'm just going to scale it in just a bit. Okay, hop back into 3, and there we go. We got a nice, cool little glass. Let's tab back into object mode, and let's add in, of course, our subdivision surface modifier. And if you want, you can go and you can make it smooth. All right, now, of course, we need to do something with this here, but I would just leave it like this. All right, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.